There is a lush, enchanted forest with vibrant colors where 5 cats, Princess Whiskers, Muffin, Ginger, Shadow, and Lucky, are gathered to embark a journey.
Friends, our exciting journey awaits. Are you ready?
Meow, let's go!
The cats start trotting through the enchanting forest, curiosity gleaming in their eyes.
This place seems straight out of a fairy tale.
Ginger suddenly spots a mystical floating castle in the distance.
Look, a castle. Princess, could that be our destination?
Yes, Ginger. The castle is where we'll find the key to rescue the magical phoenix.
As the cats approach the castle, thunder echoes and grey clouds roll in.
Princess, something doesn't feel right.
The cats enter the castle. They hear a sinister laugh and turn to see an evil sorcerer with his eyes glowing with malice.
Welcome, feline fools. Prepare to be trapped in my enchanted maze forever. Ha 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 ha.
We won't be defeated. Together we shall overcome any obstacle.
The cats embark on an intense chase through the labyrinthine maze, navigating dangerous traps and enchanted obstacles. Finally, they reach the heart of the maze, where a mystical key lies atop a pedestal. As Princess Whiskers grabs the key, the evil sorcerer tries to stop them, but is thwarted by Muffin's clever distraction. With the key in their possession, the cats escape the maze and rush back to the forest.
Fear not, noble phoenix. We have brought your freedom.
Using the key, Princess Whiskers unlocks the cage, and the phoenix's fiery plumage bursts forth, illuminating the surroundings with vibrant colors. The cats and the phoenix rejoice, celebrating their triumph over darkness. Cats bidding farewell to the phoenix, spreading their wings in majestic flight,